Sabi, hi tita. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Sabi mo, thank you. Ikaw na birthday. You're the one who celebrates your birthday. Oh, say hi tita. Happy birthday. Hi. Yes. So again, hi Tita Bean. Thank you for your gift last December, and now it's Christmas again. We're here to greet you again. Happy birthday. May you have many more birthdays and happy life together with your family there, Jimmy. And is there somebody coming? One coming now? Oh, how many months na daw? Oh, tagal na yata yan. Dapat that should go out now, no? Okay, so oh, where are you going? Kiss mo na si tita, kiss mo na doon, kiss mo na lang. Kiss mo na, kiss. Oh, yes! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Yeah, God bless you, Jimmy.